Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you a few tech deck tricks. I'm going to teach you how to do an ollie and a pop shove it. Now, I normally do them either with 3 on an ollie and basically every one of my tricks, except on a pop shove it I use 2. So for an ollie, what you want to do is I normally keep these 2 fingers pretty close together like this. Do you see it? So, I can get a lot of backward speed, pop it up, and bring it. The main thing you want to remember is you don't want your fingers too far back like this. So what it'll do is you'll lose it, and it'll start doing backflips like that, pretty much. So you want to keep your fingers kind of up, so you can do an ollie like that. With 2 fingers, it's kind of hard for me though. I put my back finger right here, and my first finger on the first 2 bolts. And so what I do is I bring it back again and just pop it up. A pop shove it, I normally do with 2 fingers, because it's just easier for me, because all I need to do is reach in the middle with my first finger and just pull it around like that. So that's how you want to have your fingers. And with 3 fingers, I normally put them like this, like an ollie. Except what I do is when I just pull it like that. And that's basically it. Ollie and pop shove it. Tech decks rule. Woohoo.